Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download a song on YouTube Music using a phone. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube Music app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're on your home page, browse or search for the song you want to download. Once you find it, tap on the song to open the playing screen. Under the song title and album cover, you will see a small download icon. It looks like a download arrow. Tap on it and the song will start downloading to your device. Make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi to save data. You can also download entire playlist or album. Just go to the playlist or album, tap the three-dot menu at the top and choose download. The app will save all the songs in the playlist or album to your library for offline listening. To check download, tap on library at the bottom of your screen, then tap on downloads. Here you will see all your download songs, albums and playlists. You can play them anytime even without internet connection. And that's it. Now you know how to download song on YouTube Music using your phone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.